today's Mumbai, the city that never sleeps, has been brought to a standstill. Streets are submerged, schools are closed, trains have halted, and daily life has taken a hit like never before. In what is being called one of the most intense monsoon spells in recent years, Mumbai and its surrounding suburbs have witnessed rainfall levels that are not just overwhelming, they are record shattering. But what is really going on in the skies above Mumbai, and more importantly, what lies ahead? Well, let's break it down. Roads are flooded, trains have stopped, schools and offices are shut, and tragically, several lives have been lost across Maharashtra. So, what exactly is fueling this relentless rain? Experts point to two powerful atmospheric phenomena colliding over Mumbai. First is localized vortex over Mumbai. This means that a low pressure system has formed over the Bay of Bengal. This system has pushed moisture-laden winds across the subcontinent into the Arabian Sea and straight over Mumbai. Satellite imagery shows continued movement of these bands directly over the city, which is rare and dangerous. In just 24 hours, 20 to 30 centimeters of rain has been recorded across multiple areas. Another reason is stationary trough in the Arabian Sea. This means that a persistent east-west trough is drawing in continuous monsoon winds. Unlike typical monsoon showers that come and go, this trough has remained locked, creating a prolonged rain event. This means no break in showers and infrastructure unable to catch up. Together, these two systems have created a perfect storm scenario, flooding drains, overwhelming emergency response teams, and paralyzing daily life. And there's more concern, this time from the river side, because the Meethi River, which runs through central Mumbai near the danger mark on Tuesday at Kranti Nagar near Kurla West. So what's next? Well, as of now, there is no clear end in sight yet. The city can expect intermittent but intense showers all the way into the weekend. Persistent cloud cover will keep temperatures low, but humidity and flood risks will remain high. Overall, as Mumbai continues to battle the skies, we must say that this is a wake-up call. With weather patterns growing more extreme, preparation awareness and strong infrastructure are more vital than ever.